听到声音吗？可以听到吗？可以是吧 ？OK， 我现在正常在里边。我没有用云台啊，只能用手拿，手拿不太方便。我不连接云台，我就把它放在那个云台上当一个直拍杆。Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to visit and attend our live streaming show. Thank you so much. And welcome our new friend, Mr. Mohit Arora, come to attend our live show. Now, we are going to start our live streaming show at about 5 p.m. Beijing time, and we are going to show all the details about our factory. I call it Factory Exploring Show. And for the next, we will come to show our QC system. I guess you must care about how do we guarantee our stable quality for our elevator production. So I prepared this showcase for you. And for the last part, I would like to discuss with you and share some stories about our reference projects and share some stories about Wei Fuji and our customers.我们现在就是还没有正式开始。咱有网吗，姨？啊？有无线网吗？刚刚是因为网不太好，确实是网不大行。我一走到这儿，网就不行了。现在是不是又没声音了？现在我这边还是正常的，有声音吗？可以吗？可以吗？我这边网显示的还可以，是正常的。为啥呀？ 声音可以吗？能听到吗？听不到吗？可以听到吗？现在声音 OK 吗？
马上进入直播间了。
可以吗？我这边是正常，我这边又黑屏了。可以吗？现在 ？Can you hear me？ 我说话了，我说话了。可以听见吗？听不见声音。听不见声音。现在 OK 吗？可以，现在可以吗？为什么一阵儿阵儿的呀？现在可以了，有声音啦。这样可以吗？这样可以听见吗？这么远？这么远可以吗？我直接拿手机，直接手拿 可以是吧 ？OK， 咱就忙着上了啊，只能这样了。现在可以吗？有声音呼呼的。啊，应该是耳机的问题。这样 OK 吗？这样 OK 吗？声音可以吗？画面不得行。屋里有 WiFi 吗？屋里有 WiFi 吗？无线网。是哪个？我也不知道。可以开开门吗？
我先去掉了没？
嗯。里面有人吗？没人吗？哎，你好，这边的那个无线网是多少？密码？ Hello？ 可以吗？现在可以听到吗？Okay. Okay, now we are in our showroom, and actually this is the new redecoration room. As you can see, firstly is about the history of the worldwide elevator business, elevator industry development history. And in China, the Chinese elevator manufacturers start the production of elevators since 1949, and actually for a company, we start actually from 2006. And this is the big boss, the founder of the company. Okay, this is the founder of the company. And this is the brief introduction about the company. And now we have 140 technical engineers working in our R&D team. And here are some rewards and certificates of our company actually. Since this showroom is still in decoration, so it's still in construction, not fully finished. And actually, this is in this factory we cover about 250,000 square meters for the workshop. Later, I will show you. And firstly, I would like to show some magic things in our showroom to you. Let's go on. Yeah, this is the intelligent showroom center. 它可以稍微移动一下那个东西吗？我在直播。And I will show you the next magic thing. See here. 这是全都关了吗？什么时候断？可以开始吗？我们不能开吗？现在不打招呼。And this is the motors. You can see our motors here in the showroom. And this is the brand in Motonari, Monodrive. And this is the V2 motor. And this is the KDS motor. The VVVF, 3VF control. The big motors here. This is also the KDS motor. And the loading capacity of this motor is 2,500 kg. And the meter, the speed is 10 meters per second. And later I will show you the speed, the high-speed elevator in our testing tower. Here are some safety components of the elevator. And here is about the marketing history, the marketing stories. Later I will show you in details. And firstly, I would like to show you some main components of the elevator. And this is some PVC floors and marble floors. We have different designs in customization. We could customize the different designs according to your house decoration styles, and also the handrails. And this actually, you can see this new material for the handrails is very lighter. It's in acrylic, but it's strong because the thickness is very thick. And here I would like to show you one of the most important components of the elevator is the door operators. And this is the operator. This is a door operator in Vitour brand. We are using, as you can see, the logo of Vitour. And also, one of another popular brand we are using in Chinese domestic elevator industry is Olin. This one is also Olin. And here are some models of the safety components like a safety gear and buffer and governor, speed governor also. And next, I would like to show you some integrated control cabinet. You will see this really big and huge cob inside the elevators we can make. See this gold design? Why we make such big cob for the showing for demonstration? Because in some markets, especially in the Middle Asian market, like in Russia or in Kazakhstan or in Kazakhstan, in Uzbekistan, in such countries in the Middle Asian area, they will request a very tall, the tall cabin, like something 3.2 meters cabin height. And the door opening height, they will request like something 2.6 meters. I will show you a huge cabin here. Here is one of the huge cabin. You can see it's very tall. Oh, welcome our new visitors. Mr. Wei2 Canaries. Welcome to attend our live screaming show. Very nice to meet you this afternoon. Now we are introducing our special design of the cabin. For some manufacturers, they could only produce the elevator cabin in a height of something 2.6 meter, but we could maximize the height of the cabin inside up to 3.2 meter. As you can see, it's really tall. And with this cabin, the door opening height will be 2.6 meter. You can see this door opening size 1.1 meter by 2.6 meter, and the cabin size maximum height will be 3.2 meter. We make in our showroom, we make all the cabins, demonstration cabins in a taller size. All are in 3.2 meters because of the special marketing request from our clients. Okay, so now let's move to see some cabin designs. So this is our hall door. We also call it landing door. The landing door designs, like in the rose gold with mirror etching designs, the patterns. Of course, you could choose the different patterns according to your favorite design. The silver and the gold one. The traditional one, or the modern designs. Thank you, dear. Thank you, Mohit. Yeah, this is, you can see, this is the small escalator. We put it here just like to show that we could customize a different color for the handrails, like in blue, in red, or in green, or brown, or black. You could choose any color you want. And this is about our stories with our clients. Actually, we have exported elevators to over 50 countries and regions, especially in the Middle Asian countries like Russia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and also Iran. And we have also participated in so many exhibitions, domestic exhibitions, and also the overseas exhibitions. Like the 2014, we have participated the exhibition in India, and this one we have participated the exhibition in 2014 in Brazil, and in Russia in 2015, and in Germany in 2015, and Indonesia in 2019, and also this year, after 3 years hard working, we again participate the exhibition in Kazakhstan. And we met so many new friends, new customers, new partners in this exhibition also. And we are also going to participate the exhibition in Middle East countries as well in this year. Now here I would like to show you this wall. What I would like to see is that we are not only focused on the passenger elevators, the service elevators, we also produce the escalators, moving walks, additional elevators, and four-wheeler elevators, medical elevators, panoramic sightseeing elevators, and also hospital elevators. For the next, I would like to show you some elevators, especially the villa elevators. This is the elevator with steel structure. As you can see, this is the central opening. And with this elevator, it also has 90-degree opening door to the second floor. And this one is the aluminum structure with glass panoramic elevator. It's also very popular to be installed in the home, in villa house. And this is the introduction about our service. We have a strict service system. The service stations, we have 128 service stations, and we could come to install and maintain the elevator if there's got any problem within 1 hour. And we are also providing the necessary 24 hours by 7 days English online support, especially for our Middle Asian countries. We could have the maintenance together because we have a special installation and engineer team there. They stay in there for service only. And this part is for the additional lift. You know, sometimes after finishing your villa house or after finishing the residential buildings, people, especially for elder people, they would like to add a lift additional after finishing the construction of the building. Even after 10 years, 20 years living there, they would like to add a new elevator there. So we could add additional lift to help them to make their life more convenient and easily. Here are some of our projects, especially the domestic projects here. The first one is for hospital and villa house and residential. Okay, this is all about our cooperative partners, especially our domestic partners. Welcome, Mohit. Thank you for coming to visit my live streaming show. And now I'm exploring our showroom to you. And this part is for our awards, especially the certificates and patents we got in the elevator industry. And this is the introduction about our innovation system. You know, if we would like to run a factory, especially elevator industry, elevator company, to a long term, we must have our own innovation team, our R&D center. And now there are 140 technical engineers working in our R&D center. They do innovation, they develop our elevators ourselves to keep our technology and reach the high technology in the elevator industry worldwide. That's all about our showroom. And next, I would like to show you one of the most important part of this live scrimmage show. Is our QC system center. This is a new QC system office for our QC, for the quality control and quality checking. You know, for one elevator, which part is the most important? Someone can reply me? Okay, well, someone will think the door operator is most important because elevator is opening and closing every day, every second, every minute. Someone will see that, oh, the safety components are more important because I need safety because I'm traveling with elevators every day. Yes, or are correct. Whatever the safety components or the door operators, door panels are very important for assuring an elevator quality. So that's why we establish the Center of Quality Control, the elevator inspector training base in northern China. You know, especially for the safety components. For each component, before we dispatching the elevator, we will do 1,000 times testing for each safety components like safety gear, the speed governor, and buffer. These three main safety components, we will do 1,000 times testing. And for the door operator, we will do the traveling test and also the the operation test with the door operator and door panel and also the light curtain together. It's a system for sensoring. So we will do this sensor test for the whole door operation system to assure it will be inactive with sensoring when passenger go entry the elevator and go outside of the elevator. And next is our quality control for the door panel. Because, you know, door panel and cabin walls are kind of protection for an elevator. So we do the punching test with the door panel also 1,000 times with a heavy ball. With that heavy ball, we do the punching 1,000 times to check the quality, especially check the strength, the bending strength of this door panel. And next, I would like to show you how we do produce an elevator after you making us an order. Before that, I would like to firstly show you our testing tower. You can see this tall building. With this tall building, the total height of this testing tower is over 120 meters. Of course, I got one question from Mohit sir. Will you do test before shipping? Yes, that is one of the core process of our QC system, our quality control system. Our philosophy is that we keep all any possible problems in our factory only and bring the convenience, safety, and quality product to our customers. As you can see, this is our testing tower. It's really tall. And close to this testing tower is one escalator. This is the heavy escalators. And its rising height is about 12 meters. This is a supporting, you can see. And all covers of these escalators in stainless steel. It got protection for all the main parts, the mechanical parts of this escalator. You know, for the common standard escalators, this part is usually in glass, handrails with glass. But for the heavy escalators, with heavy duty one, all the covers will be stainless steel, not only cladding. The bottom are also in stainless steel protection. And the rising height, 12 meters. Now we are going to check our testing tower with elevators. Now here are 3 main elevators for testing showing. The first one is for panoramic one. And second one for passenger is with 4 meters per second. Here I would like to show you one thing. Close the door.去2楼. This is the voice control. 去2楼.去4楼. Welcome, Mr. Samuel Zoppi. Come to visit our screaming show. Thank you for coming to visiting our show. Very nice to meet you here this afternoon. And here I would like to show you a high-speed elevator. It's 7 meters per second. This is the cabin. This is with ID card. Now we reach 33 floors. Within few seconds, with 7 meters per second speed. Welcome, Mr. Rashidi. Welcome to visit this live screaming show. Thank you, and nice to meet you here. You can leave your contacts, and then we will send you our catalogs. We can talk further, or you can leave message like what elevators you are need for your house or for villa or for residential, the passenger elevators like this one, or the escalators. You can leave message, you leave your contacts. We will send you more details, videos, pictures, and catalogs regarding our elevators. Now I'm going downstairs. Maybe in the elevator the signal is not good, but only a few seconds. We will reach first floor. Just outside of the testing tower. Now we are going to have a look. We check our factory, the workshop, the production of our elevators. I will show you after sending an order to your supplier to us, how do the high quality supplier manufacture the elevator for our clients. You can also leave your message, you can leave your question here. I will reply you one by one. Thank you. Welcome, Mr. Jiru. Thank you for coming to visit my show. Very nice to meet you this afternoon. Yeah, this is the showroom we have showed before. And now I'm going to show you the production of our workshop for elevators. You can also leave your question, any doubt regarding the elevator or the problem you have met with the elevators, if you need the help. Maybe I can help you to solve those problems or to solve your doubts. You can see this elevator. This is the additional lift. You can see there's two elevators. One is for our founder, the big boss. One is for the common user. You can see this elevator. This is the additional lift, panoramic one. And for this elevator, the loading capacity is 1,000 for our daily using, 1,000 kg, and the speed is 2 meters per second. It's coming downstairs from 4th floor. Actually, this is our office building. Our main design center here and R&D center on 4th floor. You can see the cabin design. These are the mirror etching design. Mirror etching with patterns. Of course, for the pattern designs, you could choose your favorite one. Okay, we reached the 2nd floor. See our meeting room. We will go downstairs. Come to the 2nd floor. This is for the common official area. For the meeting room. It's living room here. And this is our technical center, the design center. And this is the next one is special office. The whole technical center. Here I'm coming to show you one sightseeing elevator. Yes, the previous one, the one I showed you before, is the outside panoramic elevator. And this is, I would like to show you, is the round type, the circle panoramic elevator. This is the circle panoramic elevator. It has the touchable screen, the LCD screen. This is really popular, especially in Middle East market. It's very popular for luxury villa using. You can see the floor. I will show you more details. This is the floor. For the circle panoramic elevator, we will provide and manufacture the floor in marble, the natural marble floor. And can also provide the PVC floor. It depends on the customer requirements. For the marble floor, it will be the complete natural one. This is a design, the customer designs. We could customize the different designs of our marble floors. For example, in last year, we supplied one circle panoramic elevator to our American customers. He want a white natural marble floor with a modern design. And just in last week, we have dispatched one circle panoramic elevator to Middle East, to the UAE market also. We have supplied this type elevators for villa using to different markets already. For example, in America, in the USA, in the UAE, in Qatar, and in Saudi Arabia. Especially in Middle East market and in American market. They like this circle panoramic elevator very much because it's really luxury and beautiful. It's with 4 panoramic glasses. I will show you outside. Yes, of course. Of course, Ms. Mohit. We could customize the floor according to your design. You can show us your favorite design with a picture. Then our designer could design it with a marble. This one, we customize ourselves. We can also customize a different floor like in traditional designs or the luxury designs which most popular in our Middle East market as well. The traditional designs like Turkish style designs. It's 4 panoramic one.我都快结束了。不是，他的工厂没有信号怎么解决？工厂没有信号。 and also the COP and LOP. You can see that COP here. This is the standard design. Actually, we have upgraded our LOP in the whole LCD screen with touchable button like this one. The same like COP in LCD screen and the touch screen. Now we are moving. You can see the traveling is very stable and smooth. We can also customize, the logo on the screen, on the touchable COP screen with different logo with your favorite singer name or with your favorite movie star name or with your own name or with your company name. We could customize a different logo on the COP, the LCD screen, video. So in a conclusion, we could customize a different design patterns for the cabins, like marble floor designs in modern style or traditional style, or in Turkish style. It is for natural marble. It's not PVC. It's the marble floor, marble stone floor, and also the LOP and COP. We could customize the COP and LOP with touchable LED screen, and also for the COP, we could customize and OEM the logo, your company logo, and OEM the brand logo, brand name on the COP screen. Like we tour Yes, we provide the traction type. We provide the traction type WWF control elevators. It's safer than other types. And as you know also, the traction type elevator, the traction is the most mature technology in elevator industry now. So that's why most manufacturers, most suppliers, they will choose the traction type elevators. It's safer and more stable in traveling, more smooth. And this is the daily using escalator. For the escalators, we already supplied in different countries, especially in the Middle Asian countries, like in Kazakhstan. We also got approved and already installed the escalators in the public railway station in Kazakhstan and Russia. And for this circle panoramic elevators, we have installed the elevators, the circle panoramic elevators in the UAE market already. And customers are very satisfied with our elevators. He likes luxury design, especially our customized marble, the Turkish style marble design with LED touchscreen COP and LOP. And another circle panoramic elevator is in the installation in Qatar as well. This is the award wall. We call it award wall. You see so many rewards, so many awards and certificates like the FGS certificate, the SGS certificate, and ceremony of exhibition participating, the memory in exhibition, our memory in Indonesia exhibition, in India exhibition, in Russian exhibition, and in Germany exhibition. And here are some memories for the government visiting. The local government come to visit our factory to check the production status, the standard of our production, and approve our quality, approve the quality of our elevators. See this escalator moving? Well, I have introduced about our testing tower, our showroom, and some of our elevators like the circle panoramic elevators, like the outside sightseeing panoramic elevators, additional lift. By the way, do you have any villa or house maybe need an elevator, but you do not know which type of elevator will be more suitable for your house or your villa? You can leave your message here to us, and I will give you a better solution. We'll give you a more professional suggestions. Maybe you will have more ideas about how to choose a suitable elevator for your house. And now we are going to check our factory production. This is the workshop. This is the first workshop of our production. You can see with that from that testing tower to here. It covers totally, as I introduced before, 250,000 square meters for the production. Inside this workshop, we got the automatic fiber laser cutting machinery for the base panel cutting, like the door panel cutting, cabin wall cutting, and this is a small office, especially for our production department only. They will control the production status, the process of production, each part quality checking and control, and also the dispatching of this whole working shop running operation. You can see what we are showing now is the fiber laser cutting machinery. We got totally 4 fiber laser cutting machinery. They cut the door panels, the main parts, the special parts, the metal parts of the whole elevators. It could cut a very thicker thickness, up to 20 millimeter carbon steel. You can see the cutting edges is very smooth. So with fiber laser cutting machinery, we could reach a really high accuracy during our production from a small part to a bigger door panel. And this is the manual bending part, this area for bending and punching only. We have very clear production area. This is also the part of our quality control of our factory operation management also. This is the punching machine. Since now it's about the time for off, it's about the off time for the factory working, so there are less workers working here. This is the raw materials. See the second 3 kilowatt second fiber laser cutting machinery. And all these areas, this area are the cutting and bending area. And now this area is the welding area. So to manufacture, to produce the elevator, we start from cutting and then bending and then welding. Welcome, Mr. Brito. Welcome to visit my live screaming show. Now we are showing the factory, how we do production for the elevators, and how we guarantee a stable quality production for our elevators every day. And now what I'm showing is the welding area. Hello, Mr. Brito. Hello, welcome to visit my live screaming show. Very good afternoon. Very nice to meet you, Brito. Welcome. Are you coming to look for an elevator? Now I'm introducing our factory. How do we produce an elevator? What kind of elevator you are looking for? The passenger elevator or a villa elevator for your house? You can leave me message here. You can leave message here below. I can send you a catalog. I can also send you more details regarding the elevator you want. You can also leave me your message, like your contacts. I can send you the email with our catalog and some more videos regarding the elevator. This is the welding area. you can see for each area, each part of a production, we have a very clear separation for each part of production. Thank you, dear Mohe. Thank you, my friend. Thank you for giving me likes. Thank you. Hello, Brito. Hello. You can leave me your message. You can leave me your requirements, your needs regarding the elevators, or any problem you have met with elevators, or doubt you have with elevators. And now, this is the area for spraying line. We have totally 3 spraying lines. For each part of elevator we manufacture, like we cutting, after cutting, bending, and welding, we will do the polishing. We will do the polishing on the part. We will polishing the part and make it smooth. It's very smooth. And then we'll put them on and move into the spraying room. Inside the spraying room, the temperature will be over 200 degrees. We're using the high temperature 200 degrees to do the spraying on the metal parts. With high temperature, the spraying will be stronger with metal. It's much stronger than the painting, than the standard normal painting. This is a spraying line for metal part spraying. Each of our elevator part, we will do spraying here. You can see we have 3 big rooms here. 1, 2, 3. So for the spraying process, we will do 3 times. After 3 times spraying, the parts, the metal color will be stronger than painting. And not only the color, it can give a very nice protection, a good protection for the metal part, to give a longer using life of metal part. This is also kind of quality control we are doing for our production, during our production. Not only 1 time spraying, 3 times spraying we are doing for each part. You can see the performance of spraying. It's very smooth. It's very smooth, light, shining here, and well protection for metal. This spraying room is very big room. It can prevent the metal part from getting rust, especially for some special area like in India, the Southern Asian countries like India, like Vietnam, Philippines, Indonesia. They got very wet temperature. They got high temperature and wet weather. It got a very long rainy season there, so we do this spraying for each of every elevator part to protect it and prevent the metal part from getting rust for longer using time. And you can see This is robotic. For cabin walls, this is for cabin wall. An automatic production system, including the robotic and automatic bending machine. You can leave me message or your questions or your doubts regarding the elevators, or you can also, if you have a villa or house or project, whatever the residential project or escalators, shopping malls, commercial project, you can leave me message here, or you can leave me your contacts. We can talk further with more detailed information regarding the elevators. And you can also leave me message. I can send you the quotation, the prices of our elevators for your reference. And this is the automatic ABB robotic production line. You can see it's really longer line. It starts from the panel. From the door panel cutting and bending and welding connection. As you can see, totally we got 2 production lines. The left one and right one, 2 ABB production lines, and these 2 lines, it could run for 24 hours by 7 days. It's really amazing production capacity we can reach. You can see the machineries here. With this production line, we could reach a higher production capacity every month. Over 5,000 units elevators we could produce. And that is the warehouse for raw materials. Every day we will keep 500 sets elevators raw materials for our production. Because of what? We are ready for any mass production or urgent orders. Like one of our Kazakhstan customers, he ordered 30 units elevators this month, and he wants a very quick delivery. So then we will prepare a mass large quantity of raw materials there every day, and then we run these 2 ABB robotic production lines 24 hours by 7 days to reach the quick delivery. So for the delivery part, all of our customers will not worry about the delivery because we got these 2 big production lines. Our best friends in this workshop, working for us 24 hours by 7 days. And also we also not only have a quick delivery time, based on this ABB robotic production line, we got very high accuracy production also. Hi. Hello, Mr. Mohit. Nice to meet you here in our show. Thank you for attending my live streaming show. Now I'm showing our factory how to produce an elevator from a metal sheet. And now we are checking what we are looking are 2 huge monsters for production. The ABB robotic automatic production line. for these two lines, now only ThyssenKrupp and Hitachi using these two production lines. Now what we are going to see is the raw material warehouse. Every day we keep 500 sets, 500 units elevators, raw materials for production. Electrical wires here and metal sheets, wires. Thank you, Mohit. Thank you so much. And this area is for escalator production. You can see that escalator frame here. And this is also assembling area with connection, the manual connections with screws. Some parts of the elevators are very important and need very carefully connection. So we do the manual connection with screws here. And after that, we do assembling test. Before dispatching from our factory, each of elevators will get the assembling test, traveling test, and especially for the safety components test with door panels together. And now, this area is the packaging, loading and packaging area. You can see so many orders here. All these boxes are packaged with elevators already for our customers, All of the boxes are ready to be dispatched. For the wire, we are using the wires from Tianjin. Tiansheng brand from Tianjin. It's also a popular brand. We have produced and exported to different countries about 290,000 units already. And for every year, we can produce at least 5,000 units elevators per year. And this area is for the escalators packaging. You can see it's a nice package. The main frame will be installed together before packaging to assure the accuracy of installation for escalators. Hi, Mohit. Yes. Now we have exported already over 290,000 units elevators already. And now our production capacity per year is about over 5,000 units every year, in average. And this is the packaging area for the ceiling, for the roof ceiling, elevator roof ceiling here, and also the landing doors. Can see the high accuracy of each hole. It's very smooth and accurate. with manual scroll connection. And the area in front of me is also the packaging. Now I would like to show you some details about our packaging, because I remember there are some packagings, the boxes are ready to be shipped, are ready to be dispatched. Hello, welcome our new friend. May I know your good name? Hello. Hello. Welcome to attend my live show. Now I'm showing our factory, the elevator production factory. My friend. Our friend from Australia, I think. May I know your good name? My name's Rainy. Nice to meet you here in my live streaming show. Now I'm in my factory. Hi, dear Yash. Nice to meet you. Welcome to attend my live streaming show. Nice to meet you. Yeah, this is our landing door panel and ceilings. Can see those boxes? Oh, I guess those packed boxes already dispatched. Hello, welcome to attend my live streaming show. Nice to meet you here. Now I'm in our factory, introducing the elevator production. Now I'm in the factory to introduce how do we supplier produce an elevator, how to produce a quality elevator. Yeah, this is our packaging area. You can see so many boxes here. Hello, welcome to join my live streaming show. Very nice to meet you here. See the glass for panoramic elevator. This is lamination glass we are using. 2 layers of 5mm glass. All these areas are the packaging area. You can see this box. It's a very special box, right? Inside this box, there is film. There are films inside. So why we use the films? Why we put the films inside the box? Oh, welcome. Thank you for coming to attend my live streaming show. Welcome, Mr. Ronsky. Nice to meet you here. Now I'm showing our factory. How do we produce a quality elevator? And now let me explore the answer, the magic of this film. We put this film inside the box before loading the elevator parts inside, because all of the elevator components are in metal, and metal is easily to be rust with a wet temperature, with a wet weather. So that's why we put this film inside. With the film, it can well protect the metal sheet, will protect the metal components of elevators during shipping on the sea. That's why for our overseas customers, we customize this special design for the boxy packaging with films inside. And this is also a small detail about our packaging, and also is a small detail about our quality control. We are not only care about the quality during our elevator production processes, we also concern much for our customers during the shipping and before the shipping. That's why we have a strict packaging system. And this area is the electrofix pool. By electrofix technology, we can do a better painting on the metal components. Actually, the performance of electrofix painting is much better than the normal spraying as well. As you can see, we have 3 pools, the first one, and second, and third. So for each part, especially the part like the motor base, like the bottom of the elevator cabin, and also the escalators for outside using, we do the electrofix spraying for those important parts to avoid the water moisture, especially in Southern Asian countries like in India, in Vietnam, in Australia, in also like in the Philippines or in Indonesia. In those countries, the weather is very wet with the rainy seasons, long time rainy seasons. So we need to consider to protect the metal sheet, protect the elevator components, to prevent the elevator components from getting rust in a rainy season, in a wet weather. This is the consideration we need to do. We need to control the quality during our production. That's what I see. Our philosophy is we always keep and solve the problem inside the factory and bring the convenience and quality products to our customers before dispatching. We solve any possible problems or any factors which will influence the quality before dispatching in our factory, and bring and dispatch a quality elevator, a quality service to our customers. And next one, I would like to show you an important board. This is a very important board for the factory management. We call it quality control management. You can see this is a 6S Sixth standard, quality management. The standard of books, the packaging books, and the standard of warehouse for raw materials, the standard for production tools, standard for office, standard for safety protection, and the standard for the necessary information during the factory running, especially this one. This is a report, a very detailed report regarding each batch of elevator production quality checking. We can see the part name, the standard parts or special components, who is responsible for this part production, who is responsible for the quality of this component's production, and what is the production process he's doing, and how many parts passed the standard or passed the quality checking or not, and who is the checking one, who is the inspector of this batch of elevator production, and what problem may happen during this production, and how to solve the problem, and whether the quality is passed the standard, passed the checking test or not. So we have very clear report for each batch of elevator components production. So we can have a clear idea about whether these components quality is workable for us, it passed the standard or not, it meets our standard or not, or it need to produce it again, produce the new component, and who is responsible for this part. You can see this area, you can see that's forklift. Yeah, it is the ready area. We call it ready for dispatching. The ready parts for packaging with wooden boxes. And you can also see there are so many wooden panels, wooden sheets, and the wooden boxes, but it's empty. Why is it empty? Let me tell you. Because all these wooden boxes for packaging are produced by ourselves. Someone will have the doubt, why you produce the wooden boxes? You are the manufacturer for elevators only. Why you produce the boxes? Now let me tell you the importance of the boxes. You know, for the elevator dispatching, we need to package with wooden boxes, right? But the sizes, the dimensions of elevator components are totally different. It's quite different. It's not same size. So the wooden boxes sizes will be also different. Then it determines that we need to design the loading layout of each container in advance. And then our manufacturer will manufacture the wooden boxes sizes, the different sizes wooden boxes, according to that layout of loading into the container to assure all of the elevator components will be well packaged inside of each box. It means that the elevator component sizes decide the sizes of wooden boxes. Then we can have a perfect loading and packaging plan for each containers. So customer will not worry about, oh, can I load 2 elevators inside 120 feet containers? Shall I load 3 or 4 units elevators inside the containers. It is full with the container or it has empty. So with the designing and manufacturing different sizes of wooden boxes, we totally solve this problem. Can see. You can see why this. You can see all these wooden boxes are opening here, and inside the boxes is full packaged with the different elevator components. Why they do not just close and package those wooden boxes now? Why it is still waiting for something? Yes, firstly, they are waiting for other parts, other elevator components parts to put inside the wooden box. But some, they are waiting here for what? They are waiting here for taking photos. Why we take photos for these wooden boxes? There are two main purposes. First purpose is that we need to assure all the status of each wooden boxes we are going to dispatch. The status of wooden boxes is well or not, and the status of the components inside the wooden boxes well or not. And the second purpose is that we will show all these pictures to our clients, to the customer who ordered these elevators, to make him sure now your elevators are ready to be dispatched and it's in well packaged, and you will know for each box what parts are loaded, what parts are packaged in the box 1, and what parts are loaded in box 2. You can see. With different box, we have different numbers. We have very clear packing list, the packing paper and the wooden boxes. You see this customer from Kazakhstan, and this is the box number, and this is the name of this elevator components, which components are loaded, are packaged inside this box, and especially this order number. So you will know the box 1, box 2, box 3 are related with this order number, and box 4, box 5, box number 6 will be related to another order number. So it's very clear for our customers. Once they received the wooden boxes, the elevators inside the boxes, they will clearly know which boxes with which elevator components, and which boxes are related with this order number. With this mature packaging and loading system, we could achieve a very quick and nice packaging and dispatching for our customers. This is also one very important part to assure a quick delivery for our customers. Hello, Lisa. Welcome to visit my live streaming show. Thank you. Thank you to attend my live streaming show. Nice to meet you here in the live streaming show. Now I'm in our factory, the factory for elevator production. I'm showing how do we produce a high quality elevator. If you have any problem or any question or any doubt regarding the elevator, you can leave me message here. Or if you have a requirement of elevator like villa elevator for your house, for your clients, for your contract and construction buildings, or a residential passenger elevators for your construction buildings like residential area, you can leave me message with your contacts or the details of your requirements. Then I can make a quote and send you more information with our elevator videos and company information. Now all this area, all this workshop is about the packaging, and this is for the welding we have introduced before, and this area is for the guide rails and main beams. The motor main beams here. With the guide rails. Hello, welcome Sapasrasta. Welcome to visit my live streaming show. Let's welcome new friend coming to join our live streaming show. If you have any doubt or any questions, you can leave me a message. My email is sales06@cnfuji.cn. sales06@cnfuji.cn. You can also call me on WhatsApp +86 178 175 6810 7889. You can leave me a message on my WhatsApp +86 175 6810 7989. Now this is our factory for the elevator components. For example, the door panels, main frames, guard rails. Yeah, this is the welding part, welding areas for the roof, ceilings, door panels. See this fiber laser cutting machinery. Even now, it's about, in China, it's about the working off time, but the machine is still running. It could run 24 hours by 7 days to achieve a quick delivery time for our clients, especially with a mass production. Hello, welcome, Mr. Ashish. Welcome, Mr. Ashish Shah from India. Say hello to other friends. Hello, welcome to attend my live streaming show. Very nice to meet you, Mr. Ashish. Nice to meet you, Mr. Ashish. Now I'm showing our factory for the elevator production. How do we produce an elevator from a metal sheet to a complete elevator? Now what I'm going to show you is the production area for our control cabinet. Hello, Mr. Ashish. Hello, Mr. Rohan. Welcome to attend my live streaming show. Nice to meet you here. This is the control cabinet. Control cabinet production. We produce the control cabinet ourselves. See, this is the control cabinet for the machine room type. Machine room type elevators. You can see the size is smaller compared with this one. And this is the control cabinet frame for the machine roomless type. You can see here are many holes, small holes. All this done by punching machine and laser cutting machine to assure a very accurate cutting performance, to assure a well connection. Welcome Mazia. Welcome my dear friend. Thank you for coming to attend my live streaming show. Now I'm showing our production for the cabinet, for control cabinet K. These are for the machine roomless control cabinet. And I would like to show you more details regarding this. You can see the production process here, the details of control cabinets production with Mona controller 3000 plus. Nice 3000 plus. Okay, we got a very attractive question from Mr. Mohit. How do you guarantee that the elevator I received is good? Firstly, as I show in there, you can see that production line. We got 2 ABB robotic production line. So from the production process, we use the high precision production machinery to manufacture the main parts, the base parts of the elevators, like the door panels. Everyone knows that the door panel is very important for an elevator safety. So with the highly automatic production machinery, we could get a very precise components to assure a well connection in the next production process. A second is the strict quality control system we have. You know, what parts are more important for an elevator? Firstly, is door operator and door panel strength, and then the safety components like safety gear, speed governor, and the buffers, light curtains, other safety components like guard shoes also. So to assure a good quality of this safety components, we have very strict quality control. Before dispatching each of the safety components, we will firstly get the typing test with a certificate to assure those safety components quality are well, and then we will do the 1,000 times testing with this safety components after assembly to assure the quality, especially the high quality during elevator running. And third part is for the door panel, door operator test. People will concern much about the door closing and door opening. They will worry whether it will close sharply or it cannot open during traveling, or open it during traveling suddenly. So we do the door operation test with our curtain, the light curtain sensor, 1,000 times before dispatching, especially to test the sensoring of the whole door operation system to assure it has a very accurate and precise sensor during the elevator traveling. And then is the door panel strength. People will, according to our research in the market, most problems, especially the quality problems with other elevators, is the door panel strength. Oh, welcome a new friend, a new customer come to visit our live screaming show. Hello, Costa. Welcome to attend my live screaming show. Now I'm showing the factory, our factory for elevator production. How do we produce a high quality elevator? How do we guarantee a stable quality of our elevators? Welcome to attend my live screaming show. Very nice to meet you. Let's welcome Costa from Britain. Thank you. Welcome to attend my live screaming show. Here is the production area for our control cabinet. What brand is your control cabinet? I will show you now. This is our control cabinet. All the details inside. You will see this is the Monarch brand, Monarch 3000, Monarch Nice 3000 Plus. We are using for the control cabinet. The controller we are using is Monarch brand. And the motors we are using are KDS, Monodrive, Motonari, Vetour. Everyone knows that the Vetour is the top brand of the elevator motor in this elevator industry. Hello, Costa. You can leave me message with your contacts. You can also leave me your requirements about elevators, whatever for the passenger elevators or home elevators, villa elevators, panoramic elevators, or hospital elevators. You can leave me detailed information, then we will contact and send the offer for your reference. And my email is sales06@cnfuji.cn. And you can also add me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is +86 175 6810 7989. My WhatsApp number is +86 175 6810 7989. You can add me on WhatsApp, say hello to me, and I will share you more information about our elevators, our company profile, our catalogs for your reference. And this is the office for our production department. Say this fiber laser cutting machinery for metal sheet cutting to assure a high quality accuracy door panel base. Okay, now all this about our factory. Hello, let's welcome the new friend come to visit our live screaming show. May I know your good name? Now we are coming to visit our showroom again. For the new friends who are just coming to attend our live screaming show, you missed a very attractive part in this live screaming show before. I have introduced our showroom before. It shows all about our history, about our main components, and also about some cabin designs there, parts, the LCP, COP, LOP, the main elevator components. This is the office building for common daily working, and you can see this is the outside panoramic lift. We can also call it additional lift. There's two lifts here. Tell you an interesting story. This is the lift for our big boss only. And that one is for me. Okay, just joking, for all of us. Hello, Jen. Hello, Jen. Welcome to attend my live screaming show. Now I'm in the factory. Hello. Hello, Hosini. Very nice to see you here. Nice to meet you here. Thank you to attend my live screaming show. Hello. Welcome to attend my live screaming show. Welcome. Very nice to meet you here in the live screaming show. Thank you for coming. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. And now, what I'm going to show you is our showroom. From the showroom, you can see all the main components of elevators, the history about us, the marketing we have done overseas, and some of the elevators, the sample elevator for your reference. Since it is in China now, it's about 7 p.m., so the factory is off time. Nobody working here now. But still, I could show you something. You will be interested with this. You can see the English words, elevator inspector training base. We set this inspection center here, especially for our quality control. Previously, one of our friends in this live screaming show questioned me, how could you guarantee the elevator I received will be in good quality? Firstly, of course, we need a good quality raw materials. Second, with the highly automatic and high precision production machinery and good production process, of course. And third is the most important part, but some of the manufacturers, they do not focus on. It's the assembly test. Before dispatching, each of our elevator will be tested 1,000 times for the safety components running, like the safety gear, like the speed governor, the sensor with light curtain of door operation system, guard rails, buffer, whatever, and others. All these safety components will be tested 1,000 times, and especially after assembly. We call it assembly test before dispatching. And for our door operations, we will also do the sensor test before dispatching. Especially with the door panel strength testing, we use a very strong and heavy ball in a carbon heavy ball to do the punching onto the door panel to check the quality, the strength of the door panel.你好，你好，你好，可以开一下这个门吗？展厅的门。Now we are going to enter the showroom. Now we call it Intelligent Future Style Showroom. You can see this brief introduction about the history. The history not only regarding our company, but also the development history regarding the elevator industry in China. Hello, Jennifer. Welcome to visit our live streaming show. Now I'm in the showroom to show the main components, the history, the sample, the reference elevators here in the showroom. Welcome to attend our streaming show. You can leave me your message, you can leave me your contacts, or you can also tell us what kind of elevator you are looking for now. Are you looking for an elevator for your house, for your villa, for your construction building, or for your clients? You can leave the messages here. I can help you to show our offers for your reference, to give you our solutions, give you our suggestions. Or if you have any doubt or you met any problems before regarding the elevators, you can also leave me here. We can help you together. And now this is the area for showing the main components, especially the safety parts and the main power part of the elevator. You can see this huge monster. It's a very huge motor for elevator. We are using the KDS motors, the Vetour motors, and also Monodrive Montanelli brand motors. This one is KDS brand, and the loading capacity is 2,500 kg with 10 meter per second speed. Hello, welcome, Jenna. Welcome to visit my live streaming show. Very nice to meet you here. Very nice to meet you here in my live streaming show. Let's welcome new friend coming. Nice to meet you, Jenna. You can leave me your message here, or you can just send me your message with your requirements regarding elevators, your doubts. I'm showing the main components about our elevators. Hello, Natasha. Welcome, Miss Natasha from Australia. Very nice to meet you, my dear friend here. Nice to meet you here. Now I'm showing the elevator main components here. This is also the KDS brand motor we are using. The capacity is 1,000 kg. And the speed is 1.75 meter per second. For this high speed, about 1 meter per second speed, usually used for residential projects, something like over 10 floors, 14 floors, 20 floors. You can also consider 2 meter, 2.5 meter per second, 3.5, 3 meter, 4 meter, and even we have 7 meter per second speed elevators in our testing tower. This is the world famous brand, the top brand, Vetour. And loading capacity 1,000 kg, 1.75 meter per second. This is the Martinari brand motors. And this is the door operators. You know, the door operators are main components for an elevator. It controls the elevators closing and opening every second. So it's the quality of door operator, especially the accuracy of the door operator, is very important. What brand we are using now? Now, firstly, is the Vetour and Hydro Plus 02C IP20. And another one is also one Chinese famous popular brand, Oling, O-U-L-I-N-G, Oling. These two are most popular brands used in elevator industry. This one is also Oling. And this one is the Vetour. Okay, it's a little higher, it's taller. Anyway, so all this about our door operator. You can also see the straight of the door operator. It will make influence on the door operator performance, door operation performance, the straight of door operator. This, what I want to show you, is the decoration parts of the cabin. Inside the cabin, these are the floors. We could customize the different floors, different designs. The Turkish traditional designs, the modern designs, and the simple modern designs, like the marble floor. Of course, the material could also be marble, the natural marble totally. Sometimes customer will worry, oh, if I order an elevator with marble, so how do I do the installation? Don't worry, there will be two ways, two methods, two options ready for you. First option, you can prepare the marble floor from us. We will prepare the marble floor for you, the natural marble stone floor for you. Then, before dispatching, we will install this marble floor, 25 millimeters marble floor, together with the bottom of cabin. Means that once you receive the bottom of cabin, you will together receive the marble stone floor at the same time. Another option is that if you choose to buy a marble floor because of the design, because of you want a local design, we will make recess for the floor. The same 25 millimeter recess for the cabin floor. Then once you receive the elevator, you just install the marble stone floor yourself with glues. And these are our handrails. I would like to introduce you. These are the luxury designs like the gold types, gold color with pattern designs. This looks so luxury. The gold one, mirror gold one, and like the wooden one, the red one. And also one special material, the acrylic. It's very light, but also strong because it is thicker. It's especially designed for house using, villa using, with modern design cabin. Here I would like to show you some cabins. You can see some of our cabins still in the film protection. you will see this mirror etching design. This rose gold mirror etching design. You can see, oh, the ceiling is too high. It's very tall. Why they make such tall cabins? Because in some of markets, especially in Middle Asian countries, like Uzbekistan, like Kazakhstan, they usually request very tall cabins. For this cabin, we customize it maximum 3.2 meter. You can see the cabin size, 2,000 by 1,700 by 3,200 millimeter. The cabin height is 3.2 meter, and the door opening height will be 2.6 meter. So we designed this special tall cabin, especially for the market who are requesting a very tall cabins, because people are very tall, I guess. Okay, next, I would like to show you another type of elevators. As I introduced before, we do not only produce the passenger for residential project or commercial project, we also produce the small elevators, villa elevators for house using, for small house using. Hello, welcome new friend coming to join our live streaming show. Welcome. Very nice to meet you here in our live streaming show. Hello. Nice to meet you here. Now I'm in our showroom to show you the elevators. Now what I'm introducing is the villa elevator. This is a villa elevator. You can see. The space of this elevator is very small. We have a special ceiling also with stars like the sky, the night sky. And the size of the shaft of this structure, the steel structure, is 1.2 meter by 1.36. Means if you are going to have an elevator in your house to help, to drive elders, kids, to make life more convenient with an elevator, you can consider this type. The space only needs 1.2 meter by 1.36 meter, and the cabin size inside will be 1.2 meter by 900, and the height will be 2.1 meter. It's totally enough for 2 to 3 people, and the loading capacity will be 400 kg. Of course, for family using, the most important thing for choosing an elevator is also the safety and quality. Because you will run, you will travel with elevators every day, every time, every month, every day, every minute, every second. Especially if you have elders, your parents living together, or you buy this elevator for your parents only. You need to care much about the elevator quality and running safety. We have installed the villa elevators in Middle East market, in the USA. Even we have installed a circle panoramic elevators, not square one. This is a square one. Later I can show you the circle one. In the USA, we have also supplied this villa elevators in Thailand, in Australia, in England, in Ireland, in Italy, in Germany, in in Indonesia, in Philippines, in Vietnam as well. We got very good feedback from our clients, and this good feedback also gives us very big encourage. It encouraged us very much to continue our philosophy in the quality control in the elevator production. Keep producing high quality for our clients, for our partners. And this is an aluminum structure elevator. Welcome, Levin. Welcome to visit my live screaming show. Very nice to visit you here. Nice to meet you in my live streaming show. You can leave me a message. You can say hello to me. You can also leave me your questions, like what type of elevators you can choose for your house, and what kind of elevator will be in good elevator, how to choose a high quality elevator for your house. Of course, if you got a big project like a residential project, or if you are a contractor, you can also contact us. We welcome to connect together and do the marketing together. We are looking for a good partner overseas, of course. You can leave me your contacts. And you can also question me. You can also question me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is +86 175 6810 7989. You can message me on my WhatsApp +86 175 6810 7989. You can also mail me with your detailed requirements to my email sales06@cnfuji.cn. And this is our service system. We have over 128 service stations worldwide. Means we could give you a quick and emergency maintenance service within 24 hours locally, especially in Middle Asian market. We have a professional service team, engineer team for maintenance, and they are ready 24 hours by 7 days. And the delivery on time is 100%, of course. And this is our cabins, the door cabins. You will see many luxury designs in the rose gold color, mirror etching designs, and the golden color, a modern design as well. It also have the silver one. See the silver design? For the landing door, see this modern design in silver color. And the gold design. This modern design in gold color. We could customize different designs with landing doors as well as the cabin walls, of course. Hello, Prasamesh. Thank you. Welcome to attend my live streaming show. Are you from India? Welcome, our Indian friend. Very nice to meet you here. Now I'm in our showroom. I'm showing the details, the components of our elevators. And these are some safety parts, the main driving system of elevators, motors, door operators, and also the safety components like the buffers, speed governor, guard shoes, safety gear, speed governor. And these are our domestic main cooperators we have served. And these are the rewards, certificates we have. We have 20 patents, innovative patents for elevators in this industry. And this is the innovation system. Why we introduce this innovation system? Because for an enterprise, if you would like to run for a long term, if you would like to develop for a long term in elevator industry, the production is not the most important. The most important is the investment for your own innovation team, for your R&D center. Only with the professional R&D center, we can run the factory, we can run our elevator technology to reach the highest level in this elevator industry, to serve our customers, to satisfy our elevator partners. Now, in our R&D center, we have 140 technical engineers in R&D center for the research and development. We cooperate with the university. We do the innovation with the university together. We upgrade our technology, including the vibration and noise reduction technologies, the anti-epidemic technologies, the voice control technologies, the gesture control technologies. Hello, Suhander. Welcome to visit my live streaming show. You can leave me your contacts. You can contact us, leave your message with your requirements. Then we can show you more information. We can send you our offers for your reference as well. Say this luxury landing door designs. We could customize the different patterns on the cabin walls and also the landing doors. See, this is the elevator control and disinterruption components. These are the arrival lights. And these are some special functions, small devices for special functions. This is the voice control components. This is the ID card reader. You will see this scanner with password, and this is a scanner with password, and also the ID card reader. And what is this? Who knows this? Any of our friends inside this live streaming room know what is this? Okay, well, this is the elevator air sterilizer. Why we innovate this device? Because, last 3 years we are struggling together with the COVID-19. People and passengers are caring about worrying about the safety during their traveling inside the passenger elevators. So that's why we use this small device, this elevator air sterilizer, to clean the air inside the elevator, to give the anti-epidemic function. Hello, Julian. Welcome to attend our live screaming show. Nice to see you here. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you here in my live screaming show. Hello, Julian. You can leave me your message. If you have any problem regarding the elevators, you can leave me message here. You can question me. Any problem, any doubts regarding the elevator, you can leave me message. Okay, let's go on. And this is ID card reader, and it's also the face scanner. So by using your face, you will control the elevator yourself. This is really funny function, especially used for your villa elevator. So nobody can control your elevator by your face only. And this is the hand gesture control, like this the hand gesture control. So during this epidemic period, we also innovate this special function. We control the elevator by gesture. No need to touch the button of the COP or LOP. You just control this elevator by gesture. These are some of our projects. Since now is the off working time, I cannot show you by this screen. Usually we show our projects by this LED screen, but since it's off time, I cannot use it. But I can show you briefly here. These are our domestic projects, like the hospital projects, the villa house projects, and the residential passenger elevator projects. Not only in our domestic, we supply over 40 countries and regions and 128 cities worldwide. And to market our brand, to do the better brand promotion, we have also participated in so many exhibitions, like the exhibitions in India in 2014 and the exhibition in Brazil 2014 and the exhibition in Germany 2015 and the exhibition in Russia in 2015. Especially the exhibition this year in Kazakhstan. And that's why we got so many orders this month. After the Kazakhstan exhibition, we met so many new friends, new customers, new partners in the Kazakhstan exhibition. And that's why we decided to participate exhibitions in Middle East market this year. This is the next step. And now, that's all about our showroom, our factory, our quality control. And now I guess, you will be interested and you're waiting for a long time regarding how about your stories with your clients? How about your reference projects, right? Oh, welcome, Mohammed. Welcome, Mohammed sir, come to visit our live screaming show. Very nice to meet you here. Nice to meet you. And now I'm in my showroom, our elevator showroom. This is our showroom. Actually, we have served over 50 countries worldwide, like in Southern Asian countries, in Middle Asian countries like in Russia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, in Iran, Iraq, and also Middle East market in UAE, in Qatar, in Saudi Arabia also. And we have also served the elevators, supplied elevators to South Africa, to AZ also, and also to Australia, to the USA. Actually, we divided our products and supply the products to different markets, like in Asian market, whatever the Middle Asian or the Southern Asian or the Middle East, we do supply the passenger elevators and some villa elevators. And for the Southern African market, we mainly produce the passenger elevators. And for the USA market, European market, and Australian market, they concern more about the home using, the villa elevators actually. So we have supplied so many villa elevators to those markets as well. Oh, hello Ashraf. Nice to meet you here. Does this sterilizer can work in any kind of elevator? Actually, now we mainly design it specially for the passenger elevators and for villa elevators, not for home lift, small home lift like some 2-person, 3-persons only, mainly for the passenger elevators now. Hello, welcome, Adi. Welcome, Vikas. Welcome to visit our live screening show. Very nice to meet you here. Very good afternoon. Actually, I bought our elevator 5 years ago. Got one serial number on that computer. quick service, quick. How many? Oh.